Hi guys, in this video we will see how to unlink or remove OneDrive from your PC. If you want to unlink or remove OneDrive from your PC, if you want to stop files saving to your OneDrive, then here are the process. Go to Windows search, type OneDrive and open OneDrive. Here in search field of address bar on your file explorer, here you will find your OneDrive icon. Click on it and choose settings. Here your account will now open. Here from the left side of OneDrive settings, click on account, and here you will find your account. Two options available: unlink this PC and privacy settings. So simply click on unlink this PC. Unlink account on this PC, your OneDrive files will stop syncing. Locally available files will remain on this device, while online only files will be removed. Click on unlink this device and your OneDrive will now successfully unlink with your Windows 11 PC. If you want to reconnect or relink your OneDrive account with your Windows 11 PC, same process. Open OneDrive app and simply click on sign in and put your credential here and sign in again to connect OneDrive with your Windows 11 PC. Set up OneDrive, follow on screen instruction to complete the process. Click on sign in. That's all.